Ito yung pinaka sa labas. Ito yung itsura ng sa labas ng building. Ninja Turtles. So, magkaano muna tayo. Balik muna tayo sa pagkabata mga lods. Let's be Bumblebee. Madali So, what's up, what's good mga lods? Kamusta kayong lahat? I'm hoping and praying na lahat tayo is nasa mabuting kalagayan at nasa mabuting sitwasyon right now. And yeah, for today's video, we're here at Indianapolis. Well, actually, basically we're here in Fort Wayne, Indiana pa lang. We traveled last night, yesterday. Pumunta na kami dito since it's a weekend. So, day off si Mrs., day off din ako. So, we decided to, pumasyal dito sa downtown or sa Indianapolis. So, ngayon nga, as I said, we're here at Fort Wayne pa lang and mamaya pupunta na kami dun sa Indianapolis. Siguro mga 45 minutes to an hour drive na lang yun. Malapit na dito yun eh. So, yan, dito kami, nag-check-in kami. And sila Balin nandun na sa baba, nagbe-breakfast. Ako, I just get dressed. Katatapos ko lang din maligo. Late, ako yung pinaka-late na gumising. And then, ayusin ko lang yung mga gamit. And yeah, we're ready to go. Here's our background. Nasa 3rd floor yata kami. Building. So, yun nga sila Balin bumaba na. So, susunod na rin dun ako sa baba. So, kaya nga pala kami pupunta dito. Papasyal namin yung mga bata doon sa Kids Museum. Maganda daw doon. And wala, nakakuha kami ng libreng ticket mula doon sa kaibigan namin. I mean, niyaya kami. So, why not? Day off naman. So, syempre, libre. Punta tayo dyan, mga lods. Alright, so, yeah. If you're free to come with us, samahan nyo kami for this day. And, yeah. Enjoy lang natin at balik tayo medyo sa pagkabata ngayon mga lods. Alright, so stick around and we'll update you guys again later. Let's go. Pabaan na tayo. Paggutom na rin ako. Pag-breakfast muna bago dumiretso ng biyahe ulit. Ako lahat ng bitbit ng gamit Ay, konti lang may dala namin sa mag lang. Ito mga laundry natin. Alright. So, breakfast muna tayo mga lads. And then biyahe na. Let's go! English breakfast. English breakfast tayo mga lods. Ito masyado. Whiskey. Ito mamaya kain tayo oatmeal. Egg scrambled. Noodles, coffee, and juices, banana. Magbibigil lang ako. Tapos ko na isang batch ko ng breakfast.
Wow!
Konti lang kasi. Lungkot. Well, I mean, every time kasi mahilig kami mag-check-in, di ba? So, we are looking forward the following day for breakfast. Yung talaga yung nilulong after namin pag nag-check-in other than anything, yung breakfast talaga. So, ngayon kahit si Mrs. medyo dismayado. Hindi naman. Anyway, okay lang yan. Ito na gumagawa ko ng waffle. Malapit na matapos yan. 1 minute na lang. Malapit na to. Minsan kahit di kami nag-check-in, pumupunta kami ng hotel para lang mag-breakfast. Ewan ko ba? Paano mayroong breakfast sa hotel? Yun. Hindi ko pinuno, konti lang ginawa ko. Baka hindi ko maubos eh. Tara mga lods, kain tayo ulit. Huwag na i-mix. Hindi na, ganyan. Alis na rin kami maya-maya. Biyahe na rin. Haba pa daw yung biyahe. Akala ko mga ano na lang. Isang oras o hour, 45 minutes na lang. Oras pa din pala ang bubunuin namin sa pagdadrive mga lods. So, tapos na ako mag-breakfast. Maya-maya. Maya na ulit kami kakain. Ito siguro tanghali. Oras na ba? 8:17. So, dire-diretso na lang kami biyahe na ito. Hintay lang namin si Mrs. mag-CR. Alright. Stick around.
5 minutes later.
Let's go. Biyahe na tayo. Oh, wala pang shard.
My finger.
Cameraman ko eh. Go ahead of me. Cameraman ko eh. Yan. Marunong kumuha. Hindi kita susweldoan. Gulo-gulo mo kumuha.
Stop it.
Ha?
Stop.
Oo, hindi ka marunong kumuha. Nice na naman ah.
Mom, you take this.
Oh. Ready, steady, let's go! Biyahe na tayo mga lods. At malayo-layo pa. What are you doing? Alright, let's go. See you again later. Let's go. And now we're all set to move. Mali ako ng kuya. Kala ko 45 minutes na lang biyahe. 1 hour 54 minutes.
Oh, no.
Kala ko lapit na namin. Layo pa rin pala. Pero okay lang yan. Dating kami doon ng mga siguro 10:30. Okay. So we're moving. Let's go. Shard, where are you?
Right here.
Alright, let's go mga lods.
A few moments later.
We're here. Gusto ko mga free ticket to the museum, free parking, park muna tayo lods. We're here.
I asked them
daming tao, puno yung parking. Medyo maaga-aga pa. Yung, ewan ko kung hanggang ilan tong parking ito, parang 5 levels. Doon lang kami sa second yata. Dami pang bakante. Maaga pa eh, maya-maya siguro mas mapupuno na to. Sila Shards, sila Keisha, pasunod pa lang, on the way pa lang. So, diretso pasok na kami nito, doon na kami maghihintay sa loob. Alright, let's go! Skywalk entrance. Boom! Marami sa loob mga lods. Nagpapasok pa lang actually. Ay, basketball court oh. Nalaro na naman si Rashard dyan. Be sure you have all the personal items you need and that you've secured. We're here, we're getting in. Ito yung pinaka-ano sa labas, ito yung itsura ng ano sa labas eh, ng building. Being the turtles. So, magkaan muna tayo, balik muna tayo sa pagkabata mga lods. Let's be Bumblebee. Madali eh. Info zone. Hindi kayo magtatanong. Maligaw kayo sa loob. So, mga ano lang yan. Mga tawag na ito. Pagka may mga concerns lang kayo, pwede kayo magtanong dyan sa info zone. Uy, nakapasok. Nakapasok ng ano. This is Broccolisaurus. Broccoli kinakain nun. Kaya Broccolisaurus yun. Hey sexy. Not you, prank ass. Picture?
Mom, this is the real bone. I'm joking. It is? Why would that be a bone? Sorry, give me your phone. Oh my gosh. It was a really fun one. It was so good. I was, you know,
that have particularly long necks and also long tails and also small heads and finally round bodies. Now, these two specimens are Diplodocus.
What are those?
I don't know.
This one, good luck with that. That was, they don't actually sell those. They just send them out with their monthly.
How does that work?
There you go.
The dinosaurs.
So they had, at least this one had crests, just like the ones behind you. You see that dinosaur heads there? Their crest connected to their nose. So they would breathe in, put air in their crest, and then blow it out to sound like a horn. So that's how we know that they communicated with each other.
Pretty cool.
And we studied the ear bones, and they resonate at a low frequency. So that's how we know that that's the kind of frequency that their sound at.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
can touch them too. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Madison Lumber. This is what looks like before. I mean, the Indiana looks like before. This one, see? Noong unang panahon, yan lang ang itsura ng Indiana. Then try to fix it. Go ahead and fix it. Put it back. Yeah, that's one. Yeah, almost done. Nope.
Right. Yeah.
Other way. Yeah, like that. Fix it here. The last part. All right, perfect. Yeah.
You're all done. Come out to take it up. Okay.
Pahinga muna. Pagod na. Ano, laki rin kasi. Layo na, haba na nilalakad na. Yung mga bata hindi na papagod. Ito, pagod rin ito eh. Inaantok na. Baka makatulog ka dyan, ha? Umambay lang kami dito sa, ano ba ito? Ano, something. Nandiyan lang naman sila. Yan, papasok doon, kakyat doon. Layo na nilakad namin. Hihintay lang din namin iba namin kasama. Kaya pahinga muna dito. Mamaya na ulit. Ano, kompleto na. Ay hindi, meron pa palang isang family yung hinihintay. Yan sila dito. Tatay ni Rina yung kakapitbahay namin. Ka-agency ni Moses. Ito na, ano, isa na lang hinihintay. Nakain na kami. May ano din, food court. Ang bakery, sarap ng pretzels. May food court din. Pag ginutom ka, diretso ka na din sa food court para makakain. Palabas na rin kami, mag-outdoor naman. Medyo naikot na rin namin to, kanina pa kami dito. Parang siguro naikot namin within what, 1.5 hour, 2.5 hours. So ngayon lalabas kami, may outdoor pa to eh. So lalabas kami ngayon doon. Ano may, wait lang natin sila, may bibili yata sila ng pagkain. Let's go. Mag-ice cream daw siya. Whip. Ginutom na yan eh. Konti lang kinain niya kanina sa hotel, sa breakfast. Dumami na yung tao lalo. Dami ng tao. Shirt! Shirt! Lalabas na kami. Punta kami sa outdoor park. Tignan natin kung ano makikita pa dun. Let's go, Short. Give Mommy's card back. Ibigay mo pa sa akin. Let's go, let's go. Dito tayo pa, outdoor tayo, mga lods. Ano, sabi niya, this way to outdoor experience. Labas tayo. Mamadali na naman si Kulangot, nakakita ng basketball eh. Pero basketball sa labas. May nakita daw siyang bola dun. Saan? Ayun. Ayun o. Kukuha niya. Ayun na siya. Pusang ina ka. Nagmamadali na naman eh. Ha? Basketball na yan. Okay. Kulit na nga. Tara, labas tayo mga lods. Labas tayo. Ganda po naman yata ang weather. Oh, mahangin. Hindi masyado mainit. Let's go. We're here outdoor. Si Richard nandun sa court. Naglalaro. Si mga kasama namin. Magpapicture daw sila. Misis tagakuha. Yan sila. Picture. Family picture. Where's Richard? Kita ko si Richard. Ay paglaro yan malamang. Where is he? Richard. Ayun. Ayun o. Saan lumipat sa mababa? Para makapag-dunk. Ang kulit eh. Sarado yung Ferris wheel. Sarado pa daw. Gabi pa siguro bubuksan niya. Sinarado nila eh. Dami hooks. Indiana Fever. Indiana Pacers. He's right here, right there. Yeah, look, he's playing with someone there. Yeah, the lower hoop. Oh, he's already playing.
This is dumb. Really?
Ayun na sila mami, sumilong. Inita na kayo. Sila sure, walang pakialam to sa init. Ayun, paglaro eh. Pag 1v1 siya eh. Ooh. Wasn't here. We grow basketball here. Wasn't there?
I got you.
Yes, sirs.
I mean, shoot, man. Dang,
We had a good week last week against the Ravens.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Tanong
true.
natin kung paano to,
Y'all
mag-i-spin lang ba?
Y'all still got a chance. What's up, y'all?
May I have your attention, please?
So how it goes? You just gonna spin the wheel, that's it? Alright, let me try it. Let me try it. Alright, let me try it.
Now closed.
Alright, let's try. Nakakuha tayo ng wristband. Let's go.
Hey, happy birthday to Pop.
Hey, Jace. He said happy birthday.
Headbands. Yeah, that's what I like to get too. Or the flag. Flag right there.
Ooh, pick a prize.
Anything off the
Oh,
table.
that's much better. Pick a price.
Sleep. All right.
Alright, my turn.
Guys,
Let's start you fellas. Let me do this. Ting. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get?
We don't have in store.
Pop fidget. What is that pop fidget?
It's like a little toy.
Oh, okay. Let me give it to my son then. Thanks, man. Appreciate you guys. Paikutin ko rin si So. Pangit nung nakuha ko. Pa-spinning ko si Rashad. Gusto makakuha ng flag. Rashad, get a headband or that flag right there. Go get it. Go on the line. Go on the line. You go on the line. Indiana Pacers and Fevers. Reggie Miller. Ano yung si So. Spin din siya. Go ahead, Shard. There you go. What you get? Yeah.
Sleeve. Hey, we got a hooper.
There you go. Yeah. I want to get one of those, man. Can I spin again?
Sure, you get back in line.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, of course, man. Yeah. Pila ulit ako. Pwede daw eh. So, please let me get this flag right here.
Perfect home decor.
Please give me that flag, please. Oh, Rally Tower.
Oh, wow, look at that. You got
there
it.
You go. There you go. Yeah.
sir.
This is perfect for my garage right here.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you guys. You have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks. Dinaya na lang eh.
No.
So dito sa labas mga sports, this is Larry Bird from Indiana State. Indiana State pala nag-aaral yan, si Larry Bird. Who is this? Bucks. Oscar Robertson. Punta tayo sa mga ano, USA. Dami dito ng mga outdoor games. You know, what's that? Tennis or pickleball? May fitness, may ano din, may track din eh. May din tumakbo dyan, paikot doon. Football. No, pag nakita ni Rashad to, sigurado. Ano din dito yun. Reggie Wayne. May football din dito. Sigurado pupunta si Rashard. Yayain ko siya dito. May hockey. How's that? Hockey? Hockey tennis. Oh yeah, hockey here. Wayne Gretzky. It's not even ice. May baseball din, oh. Wow. Field. May baseball din. Swimming pool. Soccer. Balikan ko lang muna sila misis doon. Init. So ito yung pinaka-outdoor mga lods. Hindi siya ganun kalaki pero hindi rin maliit. Kaya lang init. Hirap mag-gano. Pero okay lang yan, mainit lang yung sikat ng araw pero mahangin naman, malamig naman yung hangin. So okay pa rin. Pero for now, babalikan ko muna sila Balin. Nandun sila. Papahinga natin. Pero si Rashad siguro tatawagin ko rin. Lalaro kami sa football. Gonna talk some football. Oh, right here. Tsaka dun. Yeah. Ayan na siya. Kami sa football. Ayun o, magmamadali o. Sabi na eh. Ayaw niya pa. Tinatawag ko kanina. Ayaw pa eh. Basketball ng basketball eh. Let's go Colt. Kick siya, kick.
He's gonna go real quick. Watch out, bro. I couldn't get it to work. You want me to hold? No problem.
Out of way. Ayaw tumayo eh. Hawakan na lang doon ni pare. Go ahead, short. Ganun po eh, no? Yay! Scores!
I'm gonna do something. Let me see you, man.
Oh! Here, short! I'm gonna throw it.
Here, Dad, hold it. Let me throw one.
Ang sakit sa braso. Ano mas galing yung braso ko. Shoot mo, short. Oh, almost. Good.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Dad, doesn't your arm hurt?
Oh, shit. Pagod ako. Sumakit na yung balikat ko. Kakabato ng football. Grabe. Pinapa-therapy ko pa naman ito. Pinapa-Cairo. Kapagalitan ako ng doktor ko nito. Si Rashad na ipaglaro pa rin ng basketball. Punta natin. 2 versus 2. Kalaban nila. Hindi, 3 sila. Kalaban nila 2 mama. check ball. Oink. Walang kapaguran yan, di mapapagod yan si Rashard. Kahit mainit. Alright na, nakaraos na. Pagod na. So, okay na muna yun. At inabot na kami rito ng ilang oras na din kami dito. Parang more than 5 hours na kami dito. Dito, liwanag. Palabas na kami, pauwi na. Yun. So, yun na. Pagod na. And, yeah. Tapusin na natin dito siguro muna itong video na to. And, kung umabot man kayo dito up to this point, maraming salamat. Please do subscribe sa mga hindi pa. And to all our subscribers, shout out to you all. And, yeah, maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin dito sa Children's Museum here in Indianapolis. Alright, so stay safe. Maraming salamat once again, and God bless you all. Peace.